Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today we are talking about UAPs. UAP stands for Unidentified Aerial Phenomena.
Hi, Jason. Yes, UAPs are very interesting. Many people think they might be aliens.
When people talk about aliens, they often think of characters from movies like Superman, Thanos, and Yoda.
However, the recent news about UAPs make us rethink this idea. Why are they becoming more popular nowadays?
Good question, Loki. Recently, there have been many new reports about UAPs. In 2020, the US government started to take them seriously. They released videos of UAPs captured by military pilots.
Right, the videos showed flying objects moving very fast. They change directions quickly, much faster than any human-made aircraft.
Exactly. In June 2021, the US government released a report. It said that most UAPs are still unexplained. Some could be top secret technology, but many are just unknown.
That's correct. This report made many people curious. It showed that UAPs are not just science fiction. They are real and deserve investigation.
Yes, and in 2022, the US established a special office to study UAPs. This office is called the AARO.
This office will collect more data and try to find answers. They want to understand what these UAPs are and where they come from.
Many countries are also interested in UAPs. For example, in 2023, Mexico had a special hearings about UAPs. They showed strange objects and even came to have found alien bodies.
Wow, that sounds amazing, but we should be careful. Some stories can be exaggerated. It is important to look for real evidence.
Absolutely, Loki. Science is about evidence.
Also, more people are speaking out. Some former military members shared their experiences. They say they saw things they couldn't explain.
That's true. Their testimonies help bring attention to UAPs. It makes more people interested in the topic. A testimony is someone's account of what happened.
In summary, UAPs are an amazing subject. The government and scientists are working to find answers.
Yes, and we will keep following the news about UAPs. Thank you for joining us today.
Goodbye, everyone. Stay curious.
People often think that UAPs must be aliens, but that isn't always true.
Some people think they could be secret technology that hasn't been shared with the public yet.
A lot of people are curious about them and want to know more.
Next time you look up at the sky, why not see if you can spot more than the stars?
Have fun UAP hunting!
Meet Jaydon, a student who seems to have a never-ending list of tasks, but today, things are about to change.
Hey Jaydon, you look overwhelmed. What's going on?
I have so much to do, assignments, studying for exam, and I still want to hang out with friends. I just can't keep up.
I used to be the same way until I learned some time management skills. Want to hear about them?
Sure, what do you do?
First, I create a schedule. I block out specific times for each task and even include breaks. It keeps me organized and on track.
Got it. What's next?
Next, I prioritize my tasks. I use the Eisenhower matrix. It helps me figure out what's urgent and important.
How does that work?
I categorize my tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither. This helps me focus on what truly matters.
I love that idea. I usually just wing it.
You should set clear goals. I break down my tasks into smaller manageable parts. For example, instead of studying for the exam, I write review present perfect tense, and practice solving linear equations.
That makes sense. I usually just write study and hope for the best. Haha.
Try it and remember, be flexible. Life happens. It's okay to adjust your plans.
I can't wait to try this. Thanks, Meiji. I feel like I can finally take control of my time. And so, with a little guidance, I have begun the journey toward effective time management. Remember, everyone, with clear goals, prioritization, and a solid schedule, you too can beat the time thief.